So in this one we are going to be making the thread winder A and B. So for both of these you're going to need a 2 by 2 inch square. So I have made 2 of those. For this one you're just going to need some cardstock and a pair of scissors. So for thread winder A, you're going to place dots on the top, bottom, left, and right at 1 inch. Now we're going to connect the opposite dots. The line. Now we're going to place dots on the horizontal and vertical lines at 1.5 and 1.5 and 1.5 inches. Now we're going to draw from here to there to make the star shape. Then you would cut this part out. Now you have a nice star to wind some thread on. Let's see. And there is the star thread winder. Now we're going to make B thread winder. So we're going to place dots on the top, bottom, left, and right at 1/2 and 1 1/2 inches. And we're going to connect the opposite lines. And then for this one, we're going to cut out these little triangles right here. So we're going to cut this out, this out, this out, and that out. And there is number B.